Hello there, reviewers. Welcome to back our channel. Today we will show you a collection of mid-century modern sofa design ideas and types. So, watch the video until the end to see our selection and get inspiration. Mid-century modern furniture design has experienced a resurgence in popularity in recent years, and one of the most iconic pieces of this era is the mid-century modern sofa. With its clean lines, silhouettes, and timeless appeal, the mid-century modern sofa is a versatile and stylish addition to any home. In this video, we will explore various mid-century modern sofa design ideas and types to help you find the perfect piece for your space. One of the defining features of modern or mid-century modern sofa design is its emphasis on simplicity and functionality. Mid-century modern sofa typically features clean lines, geometric shape, and minimal ornamentation. These sofas often have low profile and tapered legs, giving them a sleek and sophisticated look. The use of natural materials such as wood, leather, and fabrics is also common in mid-century modern sofa design, adding warmth and texture to the overall aesthetic. When it comes to the middle century modern sofa types, there are several popular types to choose from. One of the most iconic middle century modern sofa design is Madman style sofa, which features a low back, tuft cushion, and slim legs. This type of sofa is perfect for creating a retro-inspired look in your living room or office. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We post daily video on furniture design and decor. Also, smash the notification bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Another popular mid-century modern sofa types is the sectional sofa. Sectional sofa are versatile and can be configured in a variety of ways to suit your space and seating needs. They are ideal for large living room or open concept. They are ideal for larger living room or open concept space where you want to create distinctive seating area. For those looking for more compact option, a mid-century modern lover seat or set may be the perfect choice. The smaller scale sofas are perfect for apartments or small living rooms and can add a touch of mid-century modern style without overwhelming the space. In addition to traditional sofa, there are also some unique mid-century modern sofa designs that push the boundary of traditional furniture design. For example, some middle-century modern sofas feature bold colors, asymmetrical shapes, or unexpected materials such as russet or metal. This avant-garde design can add a touch of whimsy and personality to your space. Are you enjoying our content? If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. We post daily video on furniture design and decor. Also, smash the notification bell so that you may get notified every time we upload a new video. When it comes to choosing the right middle-century modern sofa for your home, there are a few key factors to consider. First, think about the size and scale of the sofa in relation to your space. Make sure to measure your room carefully and consider how the sofa will fit with your existing furniture and decor. Next, consider the material and the upholstery option for your mid-century modern sofa. Leather is a popular choice for the middle century sofa, and it adds a touch of luxury and sophistication to the design. Fabrics upholstery is another option that can add warmth and texture to your space. Finally, about the color and finishes of your mid-century modern sofa. While classic middle-century modern sofa are often found in natural tones such as black, white, or gray, don't be afraid to experiment with bold colors or pattern to make a statement in your space. In mid-century modern sofa design offers a wide range of opportunity or option to suit every style and space. Whether you prefer a classic madman style sofa or a more avant-garde design, there is a mid-century modern sofa out there for you. With this timeless appeal and versatile design, a mid-century sofa is a suit to be stylish and functional addition to your home. Dear viewers, there you have them, our hand-picked modern mid-century modern sofa design. Which one do you like? Share us your thoughts in our comment section. We post daily video on furniture and decor. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Share this video to friends and family so that it will reach wider audience. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. We will see you in our next video.